Hello dear viewers, how are you doing? I hope you're fine today. Yesterday we saw and studied the subject pronouns that are personal pronouns, but today we are going to study the object pronouns. But before to do that, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell of notification so as you will get everything new which I will upload in my channel. So be with us. Thank you so much. First of all, let's start with singular. In singular, the first one is me. 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 For example, if you want to say that somebody visited me, Mariah visited me. Mariah visited me. Okay? We cannot say Mariah visited I. No. We can say Mariah visited me. This is about me. This is the first one. And the second is you. 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 And it remains the same. In subject pronouns we say you, which is personal pronoun, we say you. And in object pronoun it stays and remains the same. For example, we can say Mariah visited you. She visited you. Mariah visited you. It remains the same. It is as of for you. Then let's talk about the third one, which is him. 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 And we say Mariah visited him. We cannot say Mariah visited he. We cannot say Mariah visited he. But we say Mariah visited him. Him. Mariah visited him. Then we have her. 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 And the gender is feminine. We say her, it's about she. In the subject pronoun, we say she. But for the object, we say here, her. She visited her. This is the example. She visited her. Mariah visited her. And as about it now, it is for the things, as we said. In any case, it is for the things, the birds, the animals, anything which doesn't have any mind. Anything which doesn't have mind. It's not for people. It is for things, and it is for animals and birds and insects. Anything like that. So we use it. And we can say she sent it. She sent the letter. We say she sent it. This is to replace the letter. She sent it. She sent the letter. She sent it. Okay, this is in the past. This is a sentence which is in the past. It's about it. And here we have just finished the singular. Let's move to the plural. In the plural, we have the first one, which is we. And it becomes us. We in the subject pronouns, which is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns is subject pronouns. Personal pronoun is subject pronoun. And today we talk about the object pronoun. So, we, it becomes us. She visited us. In the example, we say, she visited us. She visited us. It means Mariah. Mariah visited us. When we talk about us, which means we are people, maybe 6, maybe 2, 3, 4, or dozen of people. So us. She visited us. She visited us. And the second one is you. It's a number of people. We are a number of people. You are a number of people, and we say you. It's not about the second person of the singular, but this is the second person of plural. We say you, a number of people. She visited you. She visited you. Mariah visited you. You are a number of people. And the third one, the last one for the plural, concerning the plural is them. Them in the subject pronoun or a person pronoun. We said yesterday, it's they, but now the object pronouns, we say them. She visited them. We cannot say she visited they. No, we say she visited them, who are to be visited or who are being visited. They are them. They are a number of people. She visited them. Mariah visited them. They are a number of people. We don't know who they are, so she visited them. So them. She visited them. They are a number of people and she visited them. We cannot say she visited they. So this is the course of today, which is the object pronouns. So this is all those courses are about the pronouns, in which we studied personal pronouns that are subject pronouns, and today we study the object pronouns. Then next lesson is gonna be about the possessive adjectives, and then the possessive pronouns, and then the reflexive pronouns. And all of these are pronouns, English pronouns. The course, the lesson is English pronouns. The first one that we studied, as I repeat, is the subject pronouns that are personal pronouns. Subject pronouns means personal pronouns. Then we studied the object pronouns. Next course is going to be the possessive adjectives. Then we will study the possessive pronouns. Then we will study, the last thing about the pronouns is reflexive pronouns. And these, as I repeat, are the English pronouns. So see you until the next course, which is going to be the possessive adjectives. Now, please, I ask you and invite you to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell of notifications so as you will get anything new I upload, any video new I upload in my channel. And I hope that you will comment telling me your suggestions, and they are welcome. Then please share any videos that you like for other people to benefit from, and do not forget to after sharing there is the comments and the like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you as soon as possible tomorrow.